Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Recitation of the Surah Baqarah, the cow. Alif. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Mim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Alif Lam Mim. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِّلْمُتَّقِينَ. This is the scripture whereof there is no doubt, a guidance unto those who ward off evil. هُدًى لِّلْمُتَّقِينَ, a guidance unto those who ward off evil. الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, who believe in the unseen and establish worship and spend of that we have bestowed upon them. الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ, who believe in the unseen, وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ, and establish worship, وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, and spend of that we have bestowed upon them. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ, and those who believe in that which is revealed unto thee, Muhammad, وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِن قَبْلِكَ, and that which was revealed before thee. وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِن قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, and that which was revealed before thee, and are certain of the hereafter. أُولَٰئِكَ عَلَىٰ هُدًى مِّن رَّبِّهِمْ وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. These depend on the guidance from their Lord. These are the successful. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا سَوَاءٌ عَلَيْهِمْ أَأَنذَرْتَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. As for the disbelievers, whether thou warn them or thou warn them not, it is all one for them. They believe not. خَتَمَ اللَّهُ عَلَىٰ قُلُوبِهِمْ وَعَلَىٰ سَمْعِهِمْ. Allah hath sealed their hearing and their hearts. وَعَلَىٰ أَبْصَارِهِمْ غِشَاوَةٌ, and on their eyes there is a covering. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, and their eyes and on their eyes there is a covering. There will be an awful doom. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, there will be an awful doom. Verse 24, verse 21 of the Surah Cow, Surah Baqarah, the cow. Ya ayyuhan nasu, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu, u'budu rabbakum allazi khalaqakum wallazina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. O mankind, worship your Lord, who has created you and those before you, so that ye may ward off evil. Allazi ja'ala lakumul arda firasham was-samaa binaa. Allazi, who hath appointed the earth a resting place for you, and the sky a canopy. Allazi ja'ala lakumul arda firasham was-samaa binaan. وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. Who hath appointed the earth a resting place for you, and the sky a canopy, and causeth water to pour down from the sky, thereby producing fruits as food for you, and do not set up rivals to Allah when you know better. وَإِن كُنتُمْ فِي رَيْبٍ مِّمَّا نَزَّلْنَا عَلَىٰ عَبْدِنَا فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِّثْلِهِ وَادْعُوا شُهَدَاءَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. And if you are in doubt concerning that which we reveal unto our slave Muhammad, then produce a surah of the like thereof, and call your witnesses beside Allah if you are truthful. فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا وَلَن تَفْعَلُوا, and if ye do it not, and ye can never do it. فَإِن لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا وَلَن تَفْعَلُوا, and ye can never do it, then guard فَاتَّقُوا النَّارَ الَّتِي وَقُودُهَا النَّاسُ وَالْحِجَارَةُ, then guard yourselves against the fire prepared for the disbelievers. وَإِذَّةِ لِلْكَافِرِينَ, whose fuel is of the men and stones. وَبَشِّرِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أَنَّ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٌ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ كُلَّمَا رُزِقُوا مِنْهَا مِن ثَمَرَةٍ رِزْقًا قَالُوا هَٰذَا الَّذِي رُزِقْنَا مِن قَبْلُ وَأُوتُوا بِهِ مُتَشَابِهًا فَلَهُمْ فِيهَا أَزْوَاجٌ مُطَهَّرَةٌ وَهُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. And give glad tidings, O Muhammad, unto those who believe and do good works, that there are gardens underneath which rivers flow, as often as they are regaled with food of the fruit thereof. They say, This is what was given us aforetime, and it is given to them in resemblance. Therefore, there for them are pure companions. وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا أَزْوَاجٌ مُطَهَّرَةٌ وَهُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. There for them are pure companions. There forever they abide. إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَسْتَحْيِي أَن يَضْرِبَ مَثَلًا مَا بَعُوضَةً فَمَا فَوْقَهَا فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا فَيَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِن رَّبِّهِمْ وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا فَيَقُولُونَ مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ بِهَٰذَا مَثَلًا كَذَٰلِكَ يُضِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا وَمَا يُضِلُّ بِهِ إِلَّا الْفَاسِقِينَ. Lo, Allah disdaineth not to coin the similitude even of a gnat, and lo, Allah disdaineth not to coin the similitude even of the gnat. Those who believe know that it is truth from their Lord, but those who disbelieve say, What doth Allah wish to teach by such similitude? He misleadeth many thereby, and He guideth many thereby, and He misleadeth thereby only miscreants. الَّذِينَ يَنقُضُونَ عَهْدَ اللَّهِ مِن بَعْدِ مِيثَاقِهِ وَيَقْطَعُونَ مَا أَمَرَ اللَّهُ بِهِ أَن يُوصَلَ وَيُفْسِدُونَ فِي الْأَرْضِ أُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْخَاسِرُونَ. Those who break the covenant of Allah after ratifying it and sever that which Allah ordered to be joined, and who make mischief in the earth, those are they who are losers. كيف تكفرون بالله وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم ثم إليه ترجعون. How disbelieve ye in the Allah when ye were dead, and He gave life to you? Then He will give you death, then life again, and then unto Him ye will return. هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا ثم استوى إلى السماء فسواهن سبع سماوات. He is who created for you all that is in the earth. Then turned He to the heavens and fashioned it as 7 heavens. And fashioned it as 7 heavens, and he is the lower he is lower of all things. Sadaqallahul Azim. Wa sadaqa Rasulullah Nabil Kareem.